Getting in and out of your truck can be difficult, especially if you're vertically challenged. But with the HDX drop Nerf steps from Westin, that is now a thing of the past. These steps are an amazing design. They are a solid one-piece build for maximum strength and a solid step when getting in your truck. Not only are they strong, but they look tough too. The corner angles and edges give an aggressive look that pair perfectly with the Pro Series bumpers on this Trail Boss. They also were designed to fit tightly to the rocker panel for a virtually seamless look. The highlight of these steps is the steps themselves. Westin has designed these steps to have a removable step plate for easy cleaning. And these step plates are die stamped to give a great traction spot to help keep you from slipping in most weather conditions. Westin has given more step area than before. The HDX steps have over 2 more inches of toe heel step area. That means better and more solid footing when getting in or out of your truck. These steps are great for the daily driver and the off-roader. They will give you a sturdy place to step anywhere you go. If you're interested in purchasing the HDX Drop Nerf Steps by Westin or looking to have them installed, check out our store locator on the screen or in the description below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.